Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. This was sent to me by Helen, and that's all that she asked me to say, one of my subscribers who always leaves such a nice comment. I have two of my little odd Blythe dolls here. I say odd because my little Mitty has elf ears and two pull strings, and my little Chubby has a neck piece, which I'm really proud of. Thank you, Darren, on those. So let's open this up very, very carefully and see what Helen sent. I really appreciate Happy Mail. I think we all do. It really is. I always say it's a hug in a box. And it really is. I mean, the person not only sent you something, many times bought you something. They also took it to the post office and you know, they got it ready and they paid a lot of money to get it to you. And that is sweet. That is just very sweet. Oh, looky here. You know, I'm going for this first. All right. Oh, it's got a bow. And I always reuse the bubble wrap. I reuse everything I can. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, Tammy, Peacecraft Dolls. This has a 70s vibe to it. Oh, I love this. That would be so cute for an Alice in Wonderland dress for like an 18-inch doll. Isn't that cute? And look at this. Little seersucker fabric. Can't hardly find that anymore. Oh, thank you. This will go to very good use. Let's see what we have here. Looks like a magazine. A few years ago, Shirley and had a few dolls. Well, I know how that is. I had a few dolls too. And then all of a sudden, oh, okay. Oh, how cool is this? I'll bet that would fit a Blythe. Because, you know, it always comes back to Blythe, even if it has a Barbie picture on it. Thank you so much. When I make these, oh, and look at Campbell's Soup doll. That's Campbell's Soup paper doll out of an old magazine. This is so cool. This is out of the National Doll World magazine. Thank you so much. I started to say I will take this over to the window, put it up, and I'll take a piece of copy paper and copy around that. And then I'll save these. Oh, that's very cool. Oh, look. How cute is that? The Cupid dolls are certainly modeled after the Campbell's kids. There's just no doubt about it. Okay, here is a wedding gown. Oh, how cool is that? Looks like it has underwear, slippers. Oh, lingerie. How cool is that? Thank you so much. These will go into a folder, and I will reuse these. Oh, look at this. The big Barbie. I love the 36-inch Barbies. Love them. I have a lot of them, and I also have the Disney dolls. I have the 28-inch. I have Barbies in more sizes than a lot of people have Barbies. Oh, that is cool. Thank you so much. Let's see what else is here. Okay, I want to put those back in there. Other Mattel talking dolls from the 60s. Oh, yeah. I have Chatty Cathy, my original Chatty Cathy from when I was a child. And from there, I have a large collection of Chatty dolls. So that's really fun. Oh, this is so cool. I cannot thank you enough for this. This is going in with my Charmin Chatty collection. I have some books and stuff from her. Oh, I can't thank you enough for that. Oh, that is so cool. I love the Chatties. Love them. Oh my goodness, this is just chock full of fun. Oh yeah. Oh, this is cool. Oh, and so for the gorgeous Jean. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Well, I'm going to want to do a collab with somebody for that because that's always fun to do. Oh, look at these. This is so cool. I bet that's a 14-inch doll, I'm going to guess. Could be 16, though. That is cute. It's a doll I am not familiar with, but it's a pattern I will use. That is very... I like that they did this on the back of the pattern so that if you did cut it out, you weren't cutting anything out of the magazine. Oh, that's gorgeous. What a beautiful Christmas outfit. This is so much fun, Helen. I cannot thank you enough. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, I had been looking for this. Oh, I'm going to have fun with this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and I know Dory from Dory's Dollies is looking at this. Yeah, I think Dory does crochet. If she doesn't have one, she's going to want one. Oh, and there's more. Look at this. Quick knit troll togs. Oh, how cute. I can't thank you enough. Okay, and I want to put this with that. And there's more. I thank you so much. I will use these. Is that Chrissy? It doesn't say Chrissy, but boy, it looks like her. This is so cool. Poppy seed salad with fruit. I don't know about that. But this is on restringing. Meet me in Iowa. Oh, I'd love to. Okay. Oh, dolls that ride horses. You know how important that is for me. Pattern for... I'm looking to see what doll that is, but it looks like a 17-inch fashion doll. Very cool. Oh, something else here. I love Happy Mail. It's like Christmas. I'm going to read this off camera first, and then we'll see. Let's look in here. Wow, this is so nice. I love patterns. I love playing with patterns and changing sizes. And oh, God, she's gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous dolls. This is fantastic. I will sit down in Dora from Bewitched. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, gosh, this is going to be so much fun. I am going to sit down with this, and that's what I'll have with my afternoon tea. Spacer. And then there was another package here. Let's carefully... I don't want to cut anything when I open. Be very careful. Oh, look at this. More fabric. I'm going to cut this open. Oh, you just don't know. I could have used this 2 weeks ago. Oh, that's cute. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Let me read this note off camera and get back. There is a very nice note in here. Helen, I can't tell you how happy I am with this stuff. Hi, Marna. I hope you enjoy this Happy Mail. The material I have had for a while, never got around to using it, so why not give it to someone who sews a lot? Yeah, that'd be me. Better than I do. Probably not, but thank you. The other items, you were the one I thought of who would use them. Yes, I will. I think it was definitely going to a new home. So pass on anything you don't want. Oh no, it's staying. I believe you will enjoy them. I certainly enjoy your channel very much. Keep keep those hacks coming, Helen. P.S. The hacks for fixing AG doll's legs and arms with zip ties was great. My daughter and I fixed her doll using that wonderful fix. Helen, thank you so much. I feel like you have just wrapped your arms around me and given me a hug and a lot of encouragement. And I really am going to sit down with all these and go through them. I will be using these patterns. Oh, wait. Look, there's more. I went to put this up and I always double check bags. Look at these beautiful crocheted flowers. There's a note, and the note says, Marna, these little flowers I made from cotton number 10 crochet thread. The back of the flower is where they fasten off. There is a small knot, you can feel it, to show on the back side. It is small, so hopefully it will lay flat on clothing or headbands. Helen. Oh my goodness, Helen, thank you. I crochet with this little stuff. I had forgotten that I used to use this for my 1-inch trolls and 1/2-inch trolls. You know, the years go by. Look how nice. These did not take 10 minutes. Let me tell you, this took a little bit of time, and I love the pink variegated. Oh, aren't these cute? They really will be cute for headbands, or, you know, like one on the front of a Blythe dress at the top, and then some headbands too. Helen, thank you. Honestly, thank you from the bottom of my little black heart. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.